So I think it's very important if you want to upscale energy efficiency projects in Europe that we look at finance, but that we also look at the other aspects that are involved. For example, what do we invest into? I think if you look at the current industry, they may not be able to deliver 3 times as many retrofit projects as we need. So I think it's very important that we invest in innovation and that we find scalable solutions to meet the Paris goals. And that is something that Climate-KIC is committed to contributing to this. So I think it's very important that we look at how the industry works. To give a personal example, my roof leaks at my house, and when I call a contractor to fix it, he doesn't have time until after summer. So imagine what happens in the industry when we need 3 times as more retrofit projects in Europe. The way that the industry currently works is not up to that challenge. So that's why I think we need to invest in innovation to make sure that we get scalable solutions that are up to this challenge.